Good morning, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is April the 11th on a Tuesday, and the markets. We have a lot of news coming out this week in this kickoff of earnings season, but the markets are opening up kind of flat. But what I wanted to show you today was one of my scanners that I get a lot of my ideas for, and this is one I call Sweetness. And the reason I call it Sweetness, it's a you know it sets up some really nice looking charts. And take a look at the configuration here going into this, and make sure you get over here so you can see it. And you can see here I require it to be above all major moving averages and different position and ranges from the previous day. Position in 5 day range. I do not want it at the upper end. In other words, I don't want to find extended stocks here. So I limit the amount it can be up in the 5 day range. So anyway, what I'm going to do is show you a few stocks in here that look really good for today. And keep in mind that this can run in real time, unlike many of your scanners, or we just call them screeners out there, that you have to put in all the data and you get one list, and it doesn't refresh like ours does every 30 seconds. And I can right click in here and run a real time stock race if I want. But real quickly, I'm really liking this RBLX. You can see there it's holding up well, defended that 10 period moving average really well. Another one from this scan on it is Sono. Really liking this. Another one that gapped up. I think this was earnings back here and is kind of forming a nice little saucer, but holding these moving averages held this level really well. So this has potential. Set your little price alert, wait for it to trigger. And one I want it's not on here, but I want to bring to your attention is Baba is looking really nice here with the moving average coming up. So keep an eye on those three guys. Bye bye.